Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another installment of Life on the Parnes Farm. I'm Mike Parnes. So hey, today we're going to be having some fun. So we got Donovan's little Rockstar XR80. Pretty great little vintage bike. But we're going to kick it up a notch. I don't know if you can see, but we've got JB Weld kind of holding this exhaust all together. And you can see it fell off and he melted his side plate. So we're going to hook him up with an FMF Powercore 4. So, let's get ready to rock and roll. What do you say? Alright. It's time for action. Are you ready for some action? I'm always ready for some action. So, we're going to take this bad boy off. See, it's a little melty. Before, I want to show you my secret to working on cars and bikes and stuff at the Parnes Farm shop of awesomeness. Hey, it's an old Chevy hubcap. It's great for like carburetors. Gas can drip around, it's all good. Small parts, lots of fun. Keeps everything organized. Small bolts. Bow! How you like that? Alright, like I was saying, the exhaust came off on that thing. A little melty, a little crusty. But, she'll do. You can hardly find those things. They're old school, vintage, kind of expensive. Alright, so if you look here, let me bring the camera around. So you can see there's some like JB Weld holding this guy on there, and then because it fell, I'm not sure what happened, but you know, the whole thing is kind of out of wacky here, and then I had to find some screws and bolts to hold this stuff together. So without further, and you can see it's touching the carburetor, which is never a good thing. So hey, let's get cracking and take this bad boy off. Now it's time to get down to business. What do you say? So here, let's check out what we're working with. So you can see the difference. Shiny, not so shiny, shiny, not so shiny. You know, the quality of the original it's pretty good quality. Heavy as a you know what. This thing is very, very light. So hopefully it bolts up without too much of a hassle. So now before we get too far along, I like to Loctite some of these bolts so they don't come out when you're out wheeling around. So I'm gonna add just a drop onto the studs here, because my boy will be glad I did. Trust me. Now let's see how she fits right out of the package. Ba-boom! There you go. Just like it grew there. Take my handy dandy Chevrolet hubcap. Tighten it down. What do you say? I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. Just going to do it finger licking tight. Okay. Finger tight. Finger tight. Okay, now I'm gonna put this guy back in it to win it. Now I can see the fit isn't quite 100%, so it's either the bike or the aluminum from the bend. Alright. Cool. Getting there. Ba-ba! Okay, we are getting there. Pretty much got it put together. Ba-pow, ba-pow. So I had to find some hardware. Let's tighten this guy down. Ba-pow. Yeah, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Okay, I'm not going to tighten all the way. But okay, back to the 10 millimeters. And as you remember, I put a little dab of Loctite on these guys. Okay. Not too tight. Make sure there's a proper torque. But I am a human torque wrench, so got it just perfect. Okay, not too tight, but just right. Okay, cool. And I put lock washers behind both of these. Okay. Good, good. Good, good. Good, good. Okay. Let's check it out. So those look pretty good. There's the little key and carb. It's an old vintage one that I found. This bike didn't even have a carb when I bought it. And there's the new exhaust system. What's in that? I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's put it back together and we'll be done to rock and roll. Okay, now last but not least, this little melted crusty guy. Let's put this guy back on here. Okay. That is on 10 millimeter. Boom! Let's take it down. Okay, welcome back. Almost done. Got it all bolted up. Ready to go. All good. All good. All good. Look, shiny. Shiny, shiny. It looks pretty good. So what do you say we fire it up and hear how it sounds? What do you say? Let's give it a test. Here we go. Made and firing up. Sounds pretty good. Hey, Dee Dee's gonna be